We traveled to Turkmenistan, a country located in Central Asia ruled by a crazy dictator. Not many people know anything about this place because Turkmenistan wants to be as secretive as possible and doesn't want to give too much information about itself to the outside world. For us, it felt like visiting a second North Korea. That's why today we will share 15 facts about this bizarre country with you.
The dictator of Turkmenistan is called Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedov. Like Kim in North Korea, he loves to place giant golden statues of himself all across the country. Wherever you go, it's pretty much impossible to not see his face.
He's addicted to world records. That's why he built a huge part of the capital, Ashgabat, out of marble to set a record for the highest number of marble buildings in one place. There are more than 500 of them, but no one actually lives in there because the locals are pretty poor.
He also set the world record for the tallest indoor Ferris wheel. I'm pretty sure the view must be breathtaking from inside. Additional to that, you will find some other weirdly shaped buildings in Ashgabat. The dental center looks like a tooth, the meteorological center looks like a rocket, and the house for free creativity is shaped like a book.
This building is supposed to host media organizations, which is quite ironic because Turkmenistan is ranked as one of the 10 most censored countries in the world with no freedom of speech and press.
Another paradox fact is that around 70% of the country are desert, however, it holds the world record for the highest number of fountains in one place.
Due to the sand in the desert, cars can get quite dirty. And who likes dirty cars? Well, definitely not the president of Turkmenistan, Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedov. That is why he banned dirty cars in Ashgabat completely. If you want to enter the city, you have to visit one of the numerous car cleaning stations at the outskirts of Ashgabat first.
You know what else is banned? Wearing a beard when you're a young man.
Have you ever heard of Ruhnama, the Book of the Soul? It's written by the former Turkmen president, and to make sure everyone read it, students in university and even in driving school had to answer questions in their exams about it. And the funniest thing is that it got sent into space.
Ruhnama is not only the name of the book from the former dictator, but also the new name of the month September, because the Turkmen government had the brilliant idea to rename the months as well as the weekdays. In 2002, January, for example, was named Turkmenbashi, meaning the leader of all Turkmen, a name the dictator gave himself. April was named after his mother, and so on. After 6 years and the death of the former dictator, the government changed the names back. Maybe it was a bit too complicated.
Turkmenistan is one of the least visited countries in the world because they don't want to have any tourists. We tried to get in and applied for a 5-day transit visa to travel to Uzbekistan. After 3 weeks of uncertainty and waiting, we finally got a 5-day visa that was already 2 days expired, so it was impossible to see too much of the country. All the other people that we met at the embassy and that also applied for the visa got declined without any given reason.
In case you get the visa, you should definitely not miss Hell's Gate. It's a pit in the desert that is burning natural gas continuously for the last decades. The Soviets lit up the gas on purpose, hoping it would burn off within a few days. Well, that plan didn't work out.
The traffic during your visit shouldn't be too bad. In fact, we felt like walking around in a ghost town while visiting Ashgabat, a city of 1 million people. The only people that you will meet are probably cleaning ladies that sweep the non-existing dirt from the already perfectly clean streets.
Get ready for no internet during your visit. Maybe you're lucky and it works for an hour per day.
Do you like horses? Yes. I'm sure not as much as Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedov does. He's obsessed with them. You could even say he loves them in a very worrying way.
To finish off the video, here's an extra random fact. Because the dictator was afraid the population wouldn't be fit enough, he built a 36-kilometer, 22 miles long walking trail that everyone in the country has to walk at least once a year. Except for himself, because he watched the people crossing the starting line and then flew with his helicopter to the finish point to wait there for them.
That's it with our 15 facts about Turkmenistan. Let us know if you would like to see more videos like this and leave a thumbs up if you liked it. See you next week. Bye bye.
Ciao, ciao.